in a house that was built in the 1940s, and this is the glamour room that was attached to the master bedroom. Once it was completely gutted out, my husband got to work. First, using a pump sprayer, he sprayed the ceiling, waited about 10 to 15 minutes, and then began to scrape the popcorn ceiling off. Next, he sanded down the ceiling to get it ready for paint. And here's the results of him building the frame to get ready for the countertop, the washing machine, and the sink. Next, he began to build drawers that would go beneath the washer and dryer stand for extra storage. After we put up the tiles, we began the grouting process. We were now ready to tile the floors. We got our Samsung washer and dryer, and I absolutely love it. These washer and dryers are large enough to fit large loads like your extra heavy comforter, and it comes with an app where you can control the settings from your phone. Because of the size of the machine, it's hard for me to reach the top of the shelves, so I'm going to use the top of the machines to store my laundry detergent. Using this liner that I bought from Walmart, I'm going to cut it to size to protect the surface. I bought these 2 jars from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them to store OxiClean and Super Washing Soda. We prefer to use Makeover laundry detergent from Melaleuca. Makeover is natural, gentle on the skin, and super concentrated, so all it takes is 1 pump per load. Next, using some labels and my chalk marker, I'm going to label the 2 jars to make sure I can tell them apart. I'm going to use this basket from Dollar Tree to store my dryer sheets. I found these baskets at the Target dollar spot, and I'm going to use one to store dryer balls and the other one just for decoration. Also from Target, I found this cute planter and the small white bouquet that I'm going to use to decorate the shelf. I also made an additional trip to Goodwill to see if I could find any other decor for my shelf. I did some rearranging of some of the items, trying to find a look that I liked, like using this black bowl to store the dryer sheets instead of the basket, and displaying my room spray with one of the baskets with dryer balls. The final look was still too boring and bare for me, so I made another trip to Target, and in the dollar spot area I found these 3 small vases, some greenery, and this basket. I filled one of the vases with small rocks and then stuck the fake plants in them. I also used the other vase to hold the white bouquet. Using black washi tape, I made stripes on the last vase to go with the room theme. Lastly, I decided I wanted to paint the pot white using 2 coats of acrylic paint. With my daughter's help, we were able to complete this side of the laundry room closet. After doing some rearranging, I really like how it all turned out. We still have a lot more to do to finally complete this makeover. So if you'd like to see a part 2, don't forget to subscribe